Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institutions. So today I am here to present you a topic called as software project management from the unit project management from the unit 5. In the previous video we saw certain basic concepts from unit 4. So in this video we are going to see what is software project management. So before getting into the topic, I would like to tell you what is the basic things of what actually a system could be. System is nothing but it is a different kinds of collection of components to achieve different kinds of objectives. So what are all those objectives and what is the actual process? This is nothing but it has to understand a software system and it has the ability to plan a project. It actually formulates a project development team and it manages different kinds of problems in an efficient way. So this is all about what is system and what is the objective is all about. So in this you have to identify different kinds of stakeholders, you have to gather different kinds of information, understand different kinds of issues that is related to the delay, etc. So now after that we have to see what is the software project management process. Okay, before getting into the topic we have to get to know what is project management. Project is nothing but it is different set of activities that is associated with them to attain different kinds of goals. Okay, now what is this project management? Project management is nothing but different kinds of planning, monitoring, controlling and accessing different kinds of peoples, etc. So after this we have to get to know what is a project plan. Project plan is nothing but different kinds of process and tasks to be completed, the different kinds of mechanisms, the different kinds of changes, etc. All these are called as the project plan. So in this software project management is nothing but we have to analyze and gather different kinds of informations. We have to define what are all the key project challenges. We have to focus on the scope, different problems, etc. So what is the problem statement over here is how we have to how might we improve the project planning to avoid delays and cost overruns. Now what is the ideate behind it? The actual ideate behind this is the basic concept is the managing spectrum. Okay, in this managing spectrum you have 4P concept, that is nothing but people, product, process and project. Okay, so now in this we have the 4 process, that is nothing but people. So the first thing is the people process. So people is nothing but how amount of people are involved in it, who is involved in it and how they are going to access. Now next is the product. So when you get number of people, so what is the product that they are going to do? That is called as the product. Process is having these many kinds of people, having these many kinds of product. What is the process that you are going to do? Project is nothing but the final outcome of whatever you are doing. So in this software project management you have to create different kinds of project, right? For this you have to assign different kinds of roles and responsibilities. You have different kinds of tools that is associated with it, like Jira, Trello for drafting different data. Okay, so in this what you will do is you have to develop different kinds of smaller modules for testing. Now how can you check that either the software project is being done properly or not is first you have to track the process. Next you have to collect the different kinds of feedbacks. After that you have to fix the issues. So after that you have to give the on time delivery. So this is how the process will be executed. So yes, in this video we have seen what are all the different kinds of software project management process. We saw what is a system, we saw what are all the objectives of the system could be, we saw what is project management. In that project management we saw what is project, people, product, process, etc. The different kinds of management spectrums that is evolved with this process. So this is all about the software project management is. So these are the reference website you can refer so that you can learn. So here is one of the small question that is associated with this topic, that is which phase immediately follows initiations in the diagram. So we have execute, plan, monitoring and control and close. So generally planning is the first phase of any of the process in whatever project you are doing. After that you will be doing the execution part. After that you will be doing monitoring and control. After that you will close the project. So this is how the processes. So I guess that you understood this topic in an efficient way. In the next video we'll be meeting you, I'll be meeting you out with some other different video. As of now, thank you, have a good day.